music means one thing, and one thing only. Two Real Geeks are back at Halloween Horror Nights for some spooky fun. Are you ready? You're ready. You're gonna get scared tonight. Let's go. Tonight, we're gonna take you through scare zones. We're gonna sit there. We're gonna see what goes on here tonight. Maybe other things popping up, like that just popped into this video. But 30 years, 30 fears, Eddie's, the New York one, they're all gonna be covered. You guys all heard every podcast that you've been listening to about the creators of the merchandise and the music and everything behind Halloween Horror Nights. Look who's here behind me. This is amazing. Guys, you want to explain who you guys are and what you guys have done for Horror Nights and how you guys keep everything in this park alive, really?
Hi guys, my name is Luis Orozzi. I'm the senior designer for merchandise, and I myself with Jose Pardo, and actually this gentleman over here, Mr. Andrew Stonecipher.
There he is.
Hey guys. We create just about all the merchandise artwork that you see inside the event in the stores. Today we're here signing the album that we created for Midnight Syndicate. And
this gentleman right here is his masterpiece, and it's an amazing.
fantastic.
I mean, you guys right here. I'm sorry about that, but I've heard it. And it is amazing. It gives me chills.
Oh, thank you. Job done.
So, yeah, you know, it's an amazing piece. So thank you for that. But guys, thank you so much for everything you guys do for Universal and Horror Nights. We're such a fan.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you. Sacrifice up there going too. I don't know. Are you her next sacrifice? I know we're not. We're not. Sorry. No, not us. This place is pretty gross. I gotta say so myself, but I love it. One of those things going through the Gorewood Forest actually got me.
Yep.
When was the last time I've ever jumped like that, Jess?
Not in a while.
It took me to the ground. Then I screamed. No. No. As you saw, Jess just did the Chucky experience.
Yes.
How was it?
It was awesome.
So when you go through into the box, right? We saw it from my end. So Chucky was there with his knife trying to stab you and everything. And what is it? They blast air at you in there? That's so cool.
You stand
It's
on the little footprints. And then the laser
the strobe light go on and
get blasted.
that's it.
And
It's
Chucky goes.
Oh, he laughs in there too?
Yeah.
That is awesome. That is so cool. So that's a great photo op. And to the people that just stopped us that said that they watch us on YouTube, you guys rock. Thank you for that. Hey.
Hello.
You know what I just noticed? The night bus is perfect for you.
Yeah, it is.
You know why? It goes to all destinations, but nothing underwater.
There you go, right? Perfect.
Have you noticed also in this area, right here in the London area, the waterfront, it's all Harry Potter music. And then once you leave this area, it goes back to the Halloween Horror Nights music.
I know, that's why I stopped here. I was like, ooh, wait.
Yeah, Jess needed to sit on a London bench.
Yep. Immersive Harry Potter experience right now. You know, it's starting to get cool enough to get my robe soon, I think, maybe.
Oh, jeez. That is dangerous.
Maybe for Halloween.
Maybe. Since we're in the London area, we might as well make this a calm but spooky experience and see what's going on in Nocturne Alley.
Just like me, calm and spooky.
Exactly. Nocturne Alley is definitely the place to come. So many interactive spots in here for your wands. It is so much
Dark
fun.
and creepy little.
And it's a great place to come when it's warm outside because it's air conditioned.
And it's very dark.
And creepy.
Yes, all that stuff.
Bags out that Jess just found, those are awesome. The dark arts all over the place. So much cursed stuff. Jess just pointed this out. If you guys can tell us what this is, your house gets 5 points. 3, 2, 1. Too bad, we're gonna tell you now. What is it? The Vanishing Cabinet. Do not go in there. I hear the bird in there. I definitely do. Like we said, it's just an escape from the rest of Halloween Horror Nights. Come on out back through the wall, and the craziness starts up again. I'll tell you right now, King's Cross train station has the best AC on Universal property. If it's hot, that is your place to go. Alright, so we're gonna go through Crypt TV now. Honestly, it's probably not one of the best scare zones here, but it's a great scare zone for photo ops, and it really goes with Crypt TV. If you're looking for scares, this isn't it, but everything else is there. The costume, the makeup, everything is awesome in here.
Brian, you're walking.
This is definitely one of the most popular scare zones in the park also. Spider Girl. If you have not seen this in person, it is so good. And the actresses that we have here are amazing. I don't hear search and destroy Jess and see if we can make the controller angry at us or for something. I don't know what, but he seems to be mad at a lot of people recently. Wants to collect blood. He ain't getting ours. This seems to be a theme this year. Everybody's out for blood. I do have to say, walking into this scare zone does look really cool. With the spotlights from the roofs. Rip Ride in the bag. Army out here. Part of that.
Step forward, humans.
Oh, it looks like people are sacrificing themselves.
And are you humans willing to submit to the controller?
This is crazy.
Let's try this again. Are you humans willing to submit to the controller? Better. Place a fist over your hearts, humans. Recite the words, I submit to the controller. Well done. You've assured your keeper of the light another day of life. Now go and bring us more followers, and before you leave, know this, you are headed into definite darkness. I would pray you make it out of this evening alive, humans.
Never submit to him. Don't do it. It's a trap. He's going to take your blood. How about we take you guys into the tribute store? We haven't done that in a long time. Last time we were in there, just braved a trip out here into that haunted house and took you guys through opening day. Let's go check out new merch.
In the opening room of the tribute store. Anything over here? Oh, there is. Alright, so one thing about the tribute store is in every different room there's a different like journal entries that all like tell a story. So if you come check that out, look for the story throughout the tribute store. We will definitely cover it in depth one day and do a video just on the story that runs through the tribute store and all that cool stuff. Jeez, you idiot. That's it. I'm done with you. Kind of like that shirt. Creeping it real. So there's these Halloween Horror Night different like scented candles. Pretty cool. So far, my favorite one is the Bride of Frankenstein one. Danny? Which one are you? Yeah, that I'm pretty sure. In room number 2, over on the side of the room, you'll find another paper. If you can't get here and you want to know the story, you'll have to stay tuned to Real Geeks. Yeah, you're very funny. Nobody's playing with you. And our upcoming in-depth video on the tale of the tribute store. These are some of my favorite merch items this year. The Universal Monster stuff. They have this awesome Frankenstein and Bride bag. These awesome like coffin bags. I think I really kind of want that. Oh man. What do you want?
So, there's a new magnet that gets released every week.
Every week? Did you say every week?
Every week there's a new magnet that comes out. There's a chart over here of it. So here's the chart. The one that we just showed you just came out on the 5th. So there is all these that came out prior.
I missed that one.
Yeah, we missed that one.
Oh,
So this one is the one that Jess is looking at now that she would like. And it comes out on the 19th, which, you know, 2 days before my birthday, in case anybody was wondering, you know. October 21st, 10 days before Halloween is when, you know, the day Danny, you know, haunted the earth. So, this is another cool one here too on the 12th, with Jack and all the icons too. So, this is this week's magnet right here is the Jack in the Box.
It's pretty cool.
Back to your schedule, Jess.
Look at that one. Checking into room number 3. The tribute store. Now this one has a bunch of these framed picture thingies. And keep an eye on them because they do move and change. At times, pretty creepy. Yeah, that's really creepy. I'm scared to death now. I spy something over there.
This is perfect.
A vast improvement.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Chance. Did you notice this? This from the first year we've ever came to Halloween Horror Nights was for Fear's Lantern. Was Halloween Horror Nights 20 is when we first came.
It was.
So this here is cool.
Yeah, if you look around like in all the cases in the different rooms, they have like memorabilia from different years of Halloween Horror Nights. So definitely like look at them, check it out.
And if you went in through the Icons house, you'll definitely recognize the Fear's Lantern as being the main design as you're walking through the main house, part of the house there. So you see the new Beetlejuice merchandise that they have out now?
I mean, it says like Halloween Horror Nights collectible figures. So
Yeah.
do they have them for like other stuff too?
So they might actually coming out with more, because I haven't seen these out yet.
Yeah, this is the first time
This
I've seen
right.
these.
So, I mean, honestly, I haven't really taken a look. I know that they've been doing this with Harry Potter figures also, where they have like Harry Potter like collectible figures and like a whole series of them. But that'd be kind of cool to see if they actually come out with more.
Check it out. You can buy the masks. 70 for Adam and 70 for Barbara. It's pretty epic.
Hey,
Kind of want to get those.
have you ever wondered what a new Good Guys smells like?
Yeah,
You can now with
I know. check out. First of all, I like these glasses. I might need to get this Beetlejuice one especially. And I really want to try sour watermelon cotton candy, I think.
So why don't you just get one?
I'm super curious.
Why don't we just get one?
I'm super cereal.
I'm walking away from that.
In the Beetlejuice room, I spy a little note in the cabinet, hiding with some stuff. Spooky, spooky. What's that?
So, Halloween Horror
I didn't
Nights.
see those before.
Right. I've heard about them. So they were kind of like a legend around. They're actually just light up bracelets that you can put on. They're magnetic
That's really
and just basically you know, Universal Studios, Halloween Horror Nights on there, and another Halloween Horror Nights. There's not much on it, but I think they're actually kind of cool. 2 for $20, and I definitely see them being worth it, honestly.
Also
That's new one. You can go to this guy came over here.
strawberry smoothie cabinet. I bet it's delicious.
So this is I love
I'm gonna show you some of the stuff in the case right now.
That hits the
Got a little
spot.
preview of it last time.
That looks cute too.
This one looks so. I feel like this one looks so good. Or is this one in the jar?
Here's some of the jars.
Buy this.
How good this is still.
Wow.
Candy corn brownie. These little pumpkin cookies, mummy cookies, Frankensteins, that little skull that's
Spookiness in a jar. This is gonna be so good. You got the Chance Cake one, which is red velvet, and the Jag one, which is all brownie. So it's like brownie frosting, chocolate frosting in there, caramel, cream cheese, like a whole bunch of goodness in these. We're gonna let you guys know. Okay, so we found a loud escape from things with a table and some chairs over here. So apparently they set up a bar over here that we never noticed. But it's okay because we're gonna eat our cake and enjoy it too. So I got the Jag one, Jess got the Chance one, and these have been the talk of Halloween Horror Nights for dessert-wise. Like, apparently these are just absolutely amazing. There's no way in heck we're going to be finishing these all here tonight. So they did ask if we wanted lids, and I definitely will recommend for you guys to get a lid with it because there is a lot in these cakes.
That's why I take it home and use it.
Exactly. And they do come in plastic mason jars. So the great thing is it's plastic, so you can put it into your backpack or whatever you're in the park and not have to worry about it breaking. Which yeah, exactly. So we're gonna go have some cake. You want to know why we just showed you those signs there? Go into the Legendary Truth Haunted House, and they will definitely be in there. Come on, guys, 30 years of fears right here. 30 years, 30 fears. Amazing year going on. You all need to get out here to Universal Studios here in Orlando and get to Halloween Horror Nights. You only got a few nights left, only until the 31st of October.
That's just another night at Horror Nights for us. I mean, it's great to know that we can get here since we got our passes. Yeah, scare passes for this event are definitely the way to go. We've been here, what, well over the amount that we paid for those passes, I'll tell you that much. It's an amazing event. Get out here. It's so much fun. So spooky. We're out of here though. Later.